5 seasons.
40 episodes.
Dr. Livingston, I presume.
11 countries. National Emmy nominations.
19 tellies.
And hundreds of stories. I know, yeah.
Cheers. Yeah.
About the things that matter.
We are representing women in Cuban society.
Water is really one of the most important elements in our life.
You guys are lucky.
I feel lucky.
They care about freedom of religions and belief, you know. This is very important to our country.
I have never met anybody that I couldn't learn something from.
Join us.
On the Good Road.
As we explore the world
with the people who make it a better place.
I'm Earl, and that's Craig, and the Good Road is calling.
If we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it, you know, and we're gonna make it better. If not us, then who?